In this video, we are going to see facts about Mitron and Chingari app. Welcome to my channel a lot. Number 1. Mitron has been created, according to reports, by a bunch of ex-students from IIT Roorkee. The core developer is a person called Shivanka Garval, who is a 2011 IIT Roorkee alumni. Number 2. Afroman Sheikh, the founder and CEO of Pakistani software firm, Bakus told News 18 that Mitron's promoter had purchased the source code from them for $34, 2,600 Indian rupees approximate. Bakus are the guys behind apps like TikTok, listed at TikTok on APK Pure and Code Canyon, that's another TikTok clone. Sheikh said that the developers behind the Mitron app have not made any change to the source code at all. Number 3. The Mitron interface and Bakus TikTok interface is apparently identical. Sheikh has spoken up to protest against Mitron being called an Indian-made app, though he says that there is nothing wrong or illegal about what Mitron owners have done. They did buy the source code, so they are free to repackage it. Number 4. The official website listed on the Mitron app page on the Google Play Store will take you to a blank page on shopkiller.in that is the promoter behind Mitron. Number 5. As of right now, Mitron has no privacy policy listed, nor is there any information about where it hosts its data. Bakus told News 18 that they have an option of hosting data on their server, that Mitron did not opt for choosing to host data on their own. Mitron has also said that they want to operate on stealth mode, as they did not want people to know them by name yet. Chingari app similar to Mitron app? The Chingari app looks similar to the Mitron app, which was earlier removed from the Google Play Store for policy violations. The app was later restored after developers submitted new documents. The app is available in 9 languages other than English. The app supports Hindi, Bangla, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Punjabi, Malayalam, Tamil, and Telugu. The app has witnessed massive growth since its launch. According to online reports, the app has been developed by Bengaluru-based developers by Swatman Ayuk and Siddharth Gautam. A lot more to come. Please subscribe to our channel. Like, share and comment your views below.